So this weekend, I decided to create some reusable panty liners. And this project is super simple. It actually takes about 30 minutes or so to complete. And what I did was I just created a little template from some other panty liner that I had, and then traced it on some fabric and did a loop, not a loop-de-loop, but like an in and out type stitching around the shape of the panty liner. And once I did that, just trim the excess off, and then I went ahead and snipped around the circumference of the shape as well. And this is supposed to help, I guess, reduce the bunching when you have curves in a fabric. I don't know the actual terminology for it, but you get the idea. And once I did that, I went ahead and did another stitch, like a loop-de-loop stitch around the edges to make sure that nothing gets loose and nothing unravels. But yeah, it was actually super easy, except the bottom piece, which was the exit point when I flipped it. That was a little tough. But yeah, after that, this is the fun part of snapping in these little, buttons. And you can buy this little button set from Amazon, and it comes with a little puncher gun, which is super cool. But yeah, there you have it. It's super fun, super easy to make, and I had such a blast doing this. I have so many scraps of fabric that I think I'm going to repurpose and just make a bunch of panty liners. So if you got a bunch of stuff lying around, just give it a whirl and you can make them, regift them. You can have an endless supply of panty liners. The world's your oyster.